What's goody, everybody? This is a last minute video, but it's a good video because I am going to be taking a 1-month vacation. Yes. It's, not anything like luxurious or anything like that. I'm just going to Texas to be with my mother-in-law. She wants to be with her grandbaby. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be definitely the time for me to like relax, work on my body, work on my mental health, get myself together. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I have a couple things that I want to do today. Honestly, I leave in 2 days. I'm taking a plane. This is my first time on a plane, you guys, so I'm super stoked. Scared, because also I have my baby, so like I literally don't know what to do. I have my daughter's stuff packed, but I don't have my stuff packed, but I did like put some things to the side. I did my hair. All I need to do is dip it, cut it, style it. I do need to do like my eyebrows and stuff, a little maintenance, but also preparations. And I just wanted to bring you guys along. I just wanted you guys to be a part of this with me because I am nervous. I'm gonna get on a plane. And I gotta do this like 4 times. But to there, I have to take 2 planes. So it's just like, oh my gosh, I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Okie dokie. So my hair is done. I'm not the best at doing my hair, but I'm not gonna pay hundreds of dollars for somebody else to do it, cause I ain't got it right now, you feel? So right now, the first order of business is these brows. You see these? You see them? Hot mess. I am using the Sally Hansen's wax strips. This thing out here, baby. This thing out here. The best thing for me, honestly, I'll say that. Okie dokie. Yeah. I think I've did this so many times on this channel. I really don't even feel like you guys like really need to even see what's going on. Behavior. Can you guys? Okay. Good morning. It is the next day. It is the 25th. It's the 25th. It is like 9:20 something. We have to take Azara to her doctor's appointment. We leave tomorrow, so we're going to this doctor appointment. And my baby not even ready. My baby's still sleeping. My cutie patootie, look at her. Mama. Mommy. Look at the little scratch. She's still scratch. Yeah. The place is not that far from us, so we're not in a super rush, but I do want to do like 2 things. I want to give her some of her vitamin D. I gotta find a little dropper to give her her vitamin D, and I am going to wash her face. But okay, she said, where we going, Cora? Get a rag.
I came a long way for the east. She leaving her cream on the sheets. My brother say he want a niece.
Okay, so we just got out of there. We did not know that she had to get shots today. I thought they said that she was supposed to get them when she was 9 months, but it was the other way around. She doesn't get them at 9 months. She was supposed to get them at 6. And my baby cried, and now she's like... I need to go to the store and get some toothpaste. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the store and get some toothpaste. That's pretty much all that I need. I think I got everything else. Okie dokie. So back home. But I'm gonna grab the suitcase. So I just got off the phone with my mother-in-law, and she said that I think she got us like, we can get 3 bags, a carry-on, and 2 other. I don't know. I'm not sure. I have to go back and look at the ticket. But I'm gonna use my boyfriend's suitcase here. I am so ready to like decorate this closet, because as you can see, we just got stuff everywhere. My bags and shoes up there. But I already did get my little stuff. situated, but now I just have to like put it up, figure out what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna start with the clothes first. I'm gonna get this bag started. Oh my god, y'all don't even know like how excited yet scared I am, and I don't know how many times, and especially now figuring out that I think I can bring a third bag. Also brand new Old Navy. Really, to be honest, like I'm not really packing anything like super fancy schmancy, but I will show you guys the products. Something I'm looking for, bam, these right here, these little perfume things. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you guys what I plan on bringing. I do plan on putting things in certain containers so I don't have to take everything. So I'm gonna pack my little crest, my acne treatments, because I'm not sure what the skin plans on doing. I know when I'm in a different place, different climate, my skin tends to react differently. Okay, yeah. And I'm gonna bring my little jewelry. Got this up the Sheen. These are rings. I'm gonna take bars of soap. I'm gonna bring this one right here. This is from the St. Ives. If you guys watched one of my shorts, I've shown you guys this one right here. This one, it smells super clean, but one thing I will say, it is drying on the skin. I have like 7 of these, but I'm letting my boyfriend use them because he likes the way he smells. My mother-in-law, she's pretty much like a prepared woman. She's more prepared than I am, but I know she's that kind of woman where she's gonna always have something on hand. So I don't really feel like I need to bring too much of anything. But I did get this little elf kit. It's like a little small version. Because I actually really wanted to try it before I committed to you know, to a big one. I wanted to see like how does this work on my skin. Okay, you guys, it is currently like 9 or 10 o'clock. I am finishing packing because all day I've been trying to like hardworking man. So far I got these things. I decided to put them in plastic bags because these are going into the suitcase under the plane, and just taking advice from my mother-in-law. But got the little elf. I have my soap and facial products. Smells so good. Smells so good. I'm not gonna bring any body oil or nothing like that. I don't really want to tussle with no body oil. I know it's gonna spill. I'm trying to figure out what bag I want to bring. So here are the options. I can bring my Alzo purse. I actually got this one for Christmas, and I've never used it, but I really like it. And I also have this 9 West purse. I've never used this one either. I think this is pretty cute. Something, you know, I can put a good amount of stuff in, and it also has like a handbag, so like, you know, this cute little Coach bag. I think it's cute. You know, also pretty much do the same thing with this one. Have this one. I don't know, which one should I do? I'm not sure. I want something that I can pretty much do every day, which I feel like these purses can. I also need to, you know, bring some other stuff. My honey pot pads and this deodorant. Honestly, I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't even use deodorant. I'm never musty, if I'm gonna be completely honest. Even when I sweat, I don't really have that musk-like smell. When I was pregnant, it was horrendous. And I think that's why I got this one. But I'm normally an Arm & Hammer girl. Olay, because I'm gonna need a base of, now My intentions were to get like a body wash, but I really don't feel like bringing a body wash, and I'm pretty sure that my mother-in-law is gonna have one anyway. So this is technically my bedtime, so I'm gonna wrap this up, and whatever I gotta do later, I'm gonna do in the morning because I know my baby's gonna wake me up pretty early. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow when it's time to get to the nitty-gritty, when it's time to get down to the, oh my gosh, I'm so freaking nervous. Good morning, my beautiful people. It is currently 11:32. Today is the day. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe it. It's still morning time, but I do have to be to the airport maybe like a late 1, or maybe like 1:30. So I want to be there on time. But so far, honestly, basically all the major stuff is done. All the major stuff is like, we good. Okay, you guys, it is time to leave.
Man, I wish I had 750 donuts like this.